how to download Lyft application. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel How to Apps. This is me Pipen Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can download Lyft application. Now depending on your device you can get the Lyft application. Now if you are on iOS device, you can simply head into your App Store, and there what you want to do is you want to search in for Lyft Lyft, and you should get the Lyft application there and you can download it. However, if you are on the iPhone or Android, if you are on Android, what you want to do is you want to tap on the Play Store. You want to head into your Play Store on your device, and at the search bar you want to search in for Lyft Lyft and simply search for it. Once you tap on search here, you can see the very first option Lyft will appear, and you'll get the download option or install option instead of this open option that you can see on the screen right now if you are not downloaded. Now you can simply tap on download option. Now if you don't get this option here on the Play Store or App Store, what you can do is you can head into your browser, and there you want to simply search in for lyft.com. You can simply type in lyft.com, and there you'll get the Lyft browser, and there you'll get the get application option as well. You can simply tap on the get application option. In my case here it's not showing up, but if you do not have, you can see it's prompting me back to the application. So this way you can download Lyft application. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.